We used to fucking throw rocks. See that thing?
Yeah.
Fucking throw rocks.
Wait, make sure it's always go like that, right? If anybody asks, we're just looking for a ball.
Yo, I'm about to throw rocks. Let's see somebody.
No, relax. No, what are we doing? Yo, you always gotta make sure there's nobody there. Who's stepping on everything? That one's fresh right there.
This is my secret hideout right here.
Wait till you get underneath. It's not trespassing right here. Hey, call the cops, Austin. This ain't trespassing.
Yeah.
Tag it.
I'ma say you're a part of it too.
Say trespassing.
This is securing the area.
Shut up. Where's this fucking ball? I swear to God. Fuck you guys. Yo, this is a long ass extension. You know what sucks right here? The trees ain't grow yet. So we can see you. Look at all that shit.
Fucking fell when Hurricane Irene was here. Remember that shit?
Irene, that shit wasn't here. That's all the way down in Florida.
That shit was 5 months ago.
No, that was like that was like, I don't know, I forgot.
6 months ago,
So
right?
pick that shit up, see if there's any hate in it.
Let's see.
There's nothing. Fuck that shit. Nigga, fuck it. Can't even... Nah, stop making so much noise.
Cause they gonna report you go here.
No.
And why you so scared?
I'm not scared, it's just I don't want to get
Oh
caught.
yeah. When people come to see me, I throw rocks in the car, right? This is high, right here.
Fuck, what goes down in there?
Oh shit, it's a bunch of water. No, I just put a board down here.
Oh, that shit is... I thought that shit was a rat right
I
there.
take a board with me and put it down here.
You want to go back? What should we call this video? Freight hopping? Yeah, I'm so lucky to live in a freight neighborhood. That's nice. Yo, stop putting your fingerprints on everything. Yo, this is where we should... Yeah, yo, this is where we should hang out.
You shout and dip. You should shout and dip all around.
Nah, nigga, relax. You can't make it too hot. Yo, look at all this shit. Okay. Shit's crazy. I remember. You go to school?
Used to.
What grade you in now?
8th.
8th. You only fucking...
No? 11. I skipped some fucking grades.
Skip? Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, fucking... Boss.
I love fucking grades. So you don't have to stay in school until you fucking keep you late.
Man, long, man.
So when I get my legs done,
Yo, what?
as soon as I get out of school, I'm fucking bad.
Yo, make sure to check this one shit right here.
You know it's cool?
Huh? Cool. I know.
This is rock.
Yeah, I wonder where they get these fucking rocks from. Okay. So why they
I
put
thought
the...
these used to be a street. They crumbled the whole street.
These are rocks. I don't think this shit was a street.
It was. I believe it.
This park was a street. But this shit right here...
Many years ago, this shit covered all that shit. But then that's the old thing. And that's old. This was over that.
I know.
And then they took
There's a
away
bunch of
down.
crates.
And they just made freight trucks on here.
Yeah, I want to see the freights move. Yo, check his fucking staffers right there. over there. Staff, but staff, they'll do anything you want. You'll be like, oh, fucking around. Oh, never tell anybody which state you in when you do freight hopping. Where you going? Yeah, you wanna go all the way down? Oh, you alright, nigga? Why are you getting out? Yo, wait. Look at this shit. Yo, kid. There's a plywood board right there.
Oh, we can fucking sit on that shit.
Yeah, I wanna sit on it.
Oh, look, it could be a rolling thing.
Well, you go over there.
Look how you fucking sit on it. Look how smooth this shit is, though.
Wait, look, this is shoe right there.
Make your feet like that crossing.
Oh shit, it's not smooth.
I know, right?
Where the fuck this shit come from?
Yo, this shit is a nice thing. See, it's a sidewalk. See the things, right?
Sidewalk, I don't know.
Let's go. This shit's crazy.
Nigga, come here. Come here. You wanna go down that way?
No, this way.
Yeah, let's go around that way though. Yo, nigga, let's go around this way. Yo, come here. What? Oh, bus. Is that bus coming down?
No.
Alright, good. Yo, those buses are fucked up. Alright, we're gonna end the video here now. Alright, peace.